say something, Chris?
Yeah, I'm just mic checking. Just making sure everything's good.
Yeah, I got you, man. That current out here is pretty stiff. Have you launched yet?
Yeah, I'm already out.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We're back out here doing an offshore trip, trying to get some redemption on some kings and anything else big we can get into. We just had a tropical storm blow through the Gulf Coast, so it's a little churned up, but it's not too bad. We got some storm sails off in the distance over here. I think we're going to be okay. There's a little lightning in it, but it seems like it's off in the distance, so we'll keep an eye on that. Got a brand new Hobie Outback hull. The last one I had suffered a crack over here by the cup holder. So this is its maiden voyage, and I'm just going to send it, and hopefully there's no issues. We launched under cover of darkness. We're about a mile offshore. We're gonna head out here to the spot and see what we can get into. Now we're getting some marks. Not sure what it is yet, but we're getting some marks. Storm sail might be moving a little closer. Bad part about being way out here is you don't get any cell phone reception, so there's really no way to tell what it's doing. I guess you could listen to the weather channel on the radio, but we'll just keep an eye on it. Some Spanish jumping up ahead. May try to hook into one of those. We'll see. Like a decent Spanish. It might not be a Spanish. Oh no, it's a Spanish. It's a good size one. Boat flip him in here. Boat flip. Oh yeah, good size Spanish. Nice Spanish Mac. I'm gonna throw him in the fish bag. Holy smokes, look at that. Look at that thrashing over there. That's all Spanish. Oh, I cast right into it. There he is. Got hit, got nailed. Good God, look at him. There he is. Some good fighting Spanish, man. Woo! Some really good fighting Spanish. Catch them on the old pink diamond jig here. Just burning it. Oh man, there's thrashing. Beautiful Spanish. Trying to chase down this school of Spanish. I just seen them thrashing. Oh, we're on. We're on, baby. Got a runner. That ain't no Spanish. Just wear him down, keep him in front of us. Oh, he broke me. God dang it. He must have choked it. He must have choked it. Should have more leader out than that. Freaking broke me, dude. Well, that stinks. Look at that thrashing. That's insane, man. Those Spanish are after those baits. Golly, there they are. They're definitely fired up. There we go. That's a king. Let him run. I need to get this other line in. All right, let's turn into him. We can fight this fish. Got a lot of line out, so we got to regain some line. Gotta be a king. The way he took off like that. He's still pretty green too. Oh yeah, solid king. Just wear him down. Does not want to come up. Ooh, he's still plenty green. Golly, this fish is going for a run. We got a heck of a runner here, boy. See some color any second. This dude is staying down. He does not want to come up. He does not want to come up. Oh yeah. Oh man. We got that gaff ready whenever he finally wears. Golly, this fish does not want to come up, man. Oh my God. Oh yeah, it's a king. It's just a really, really big one. Golly. He's starting to wear down. Come on. We might be able to get him on this pass. We got him. Oh God, what a king. Oh my gosh, what a king, baby. That's a freaking slab right there, buddy. Golly. All right, we got to get this hook out and get this guy situated. God, what a beast, son. Woo. All right, let's take one last look at that joker. Bam. Oh, what a king. Woo, what a king. Yes, sir. All right, we got to get him in the fish bag. I think the key with landing those big fish is just taking your time, not getting too excited. Got multiple lines out, things are getting crisscrossed, he's going for big runs. You just gotta slow it down, manage your tackle, manage your lines, and fight the fish. That was a good sized king, man. That was a lot of fun. Heck of a lot of fun. Turned out to be a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but it's a beautiful day. Heading back over here, try to get back around the reef. Maybe we'll catch some more fish. See what happens. All right. Switching gears. Do a little bottom fishing. All right, we're switching gears here a little bit. We're gonna drop down and do a little bottom fishing. Pull up right on the reef. Maybe we'll pick up a trigger or a snapper. There's something down there. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, you can see the reef starting to come up right there. We got a lot of current out here. It's hard to stay over top of the reef. All right, there's bottom. Should start getting some hits here.
They're feisty and they run straight down.
You got to use circle hooks here?
Huh?
You got to use circle hooks here?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm using them anyway, but... It's a nice size beeliner, huh, dude?
Big lane snapper.
Holy smokes. There's a ton down here. There's a little thump. There he is. Oh, he's digging for a little guy. Sometimes these snapper, man, they'll surprise you. Feisty ones. Oh, there's a thump. Another small snapper. That one might be keeper. I don't like keeping these little small ones though. I think he's keeper. We may throw him in the box. Well, bottom's steeper than I thought. I guess we're drifting too. There he is. Yeah, I just hooked up. I think this is a keeper. I need to pop him off and drop back down. This guy's thick too. All right, guys, we're breaking everything down. We're gonna start making our way back in. Well, we made it back in. What a fun day on the water. A nice size king, stud king. Few snapper, some Spanish. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.